In this video, I'll show you how to add a video overlay in CapCut for PC. Whether you want to enhance your storytelling or just add an extra visual element, follow these simple steps. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure your videos are ready in the media section. I'll use one of my channel videos as the main clip and a subscribe button animation as the overlay. Now, let's drag the main video onto the timeline and make any necessary adjustments. Once that's set, it's time to add the overlay. You can do this by either clicking the little plus button in the bottom right corner of your video or dragging the overlay clip onto the layer above your main video. I'll use the plus button. As you can see, the second video is now added. If it's not on a separate track, just drag it above the main video and CapCut will automatically create a new layer for it. Now, let's resize and position it. Simply select the overlay video and adjust its size by dragging the corners. You can also use the scale and position settings on the right side to fine-tune it. Finally, let's remove the green screen using the chroma key tool. And just like that, you've successfully added a video overlay in CapCut. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe. Drop a comment saying, "I subscribed," so I can personally thank you. Thanks for watching, and take care.